Hi, my amazing artists. In this video, we're going to learn how to color our dot. So we're going to be using two colored families, a warm colored family and a cool colored family. Our warm colors are those reds, yellows, oranges, and pinks. They remind us of things that are hot. And those are going to be in your 1 cup. And then we're going to have our blues, our greens, and our purples. Those are in our cool cup. And like teal is also another cool color. So you're going to first take a marker from the cool cup. I'm going to start with blue, and we're going to go with our circle here, that full circle, not our partial circle. We're going to go with our first full circle, and I'm going to go all the way around and trace that line with my pencil, or the pencil line with my marker. And just go nice and slow. If you miss a line by a little bit, that's okay. We can erase that. Like if you missed it like I did here, we can take our eraser and erase that pencil line. Now inside the circle, I'm going to create with the same marker a dotted line. A dotted line is a circle and a space. And I'm going to make a circle with this dotted line. I'm going to go all the way around the inside of the circle, making like a circle inside that circle that is a dotted line. Now my next full circle, I'm going to take a warm color. I'm going to choose orange. You can choose any color you want. You could choose red, pink, yellow, whatever color belongs in the warm family, in that warm cup. I'm going to go all the way around. And I'm going to make a dashed line. A dashed line is a line and a space, line and a space. Just like I did with my dotted line, I'm going to create this in a circle. Okay, so now I've got that dashed line. I'm now going to go back to my cool colors. Now I used blue already, so I don't want to use blue again. But I can use my green or purple. I'm going to use my darker green, because we do have two different color greens. I'm going to go around and trace that pencil. Now inside here I'm going to create a dashed line, but instead of my line being more horizontal, this one's going to be vertical. So it's almost like you were drawing and making a sun out of this smaller circle inside. Okay. Now I'm going to take and go back to my warm colors. I've already used orange, so I don't want to use orange. I can use pink, red, yellow. I'm going to use red. And I'm going to now just trace that smaller circle right in the middle with my red marker. Now I'm not going to put any lines inside of that one. I'm just going to leave it alone. Now this line here, these like half lines in the corner, I'm going to trace them with a warm color. Inside here I'm going to create a mix of a dashed line and a dotted line. So that means I'm going to create a line, a dot, a line, a dot, and a line. And it's going to go right off to the edge of my paper. And I'm going to come back over here and continue it. Now, just because I've got a little bit of space here, it's going to keep on going around until I kind of run out of room. Okay, so now I've got that full circle. Now I'm going to go back to my cool colors, and in these corners, I'm going to make some vertical kind of diagonal lines, I guess, in the corners using a cool color. I chose purple. You could choose green, you could choose blue, whatever color you want. But I would suggest using a color that you don't have. Now our next step is to take the crayons and color in our circles inside. Now I would suggest using maybe the same color that you did with the marker for that line that's inside the circle, but you don't have to. So for example, if you wanted to make this circle green, you could, because green is part of the cool color family. If you're going to choose a different color, stick with the same color family. So for example here, this is orange. So I'm going to color in my circle with orange crayon right on top. Okay, and you can see I'm trying to stay inside my lines. I'm not using scribble lines and getting all wild and crazy. If you do, you may want to go back and color it in nice and solid. So again, like here, this circle is green, so I'm going to take my green crayon and color it in. Again, like I could use a yellow green and that would be okay too, because it's still cool color family and it's similar to the circle color that I've used. And then like my inner circle is red. I used red marker, so I'm going to color that in red. And notice I'm trying to color it in, so it's little to no white showing. The main thing is you want to make these dots colorful and fun, filled in, so there's little to no white showing. I hope you guys have a good time and fun time drawing these dots. All right, enjoy.